Dear teachers, this video tutorial is being made to make you understand how to update your timetable on the school website and how to take the attendance or update of the attendance of every day after your class. If you have 2 class or 3 class, after taking all the 3 classes or 2 classes, you have to update the attendance of the student. So how this thing is to be done on school website? For this purpose we are making this tutorial. So first of all, you have to click on the school website link that is already given in the school group Carmel NMH. This is the CCS website. When you will click on this website, link on this website, open, this page will be displayed. Here on the right side, 3 horizontal lines you can see. It is the bar menu. There you can click 3 horizontal line. There you will get faculty login at the last. Just click on the faculty login. User ID, your school email ID like tarun@carmelnmh.in. Then password, whatever password is given to you by school management, that you can type there and you will get this page. So your login ID is your email ID of Carmel domain and password as you have set or given by the school management that all of you know. This page will be displayed in the left hand side where Carmel is written. Left hand side, 3 small horizontal lines, there you can click. See here, you will get the number of options. You have to select academic first, academic. Then in academic you have to select class timetable. Then in class timetable you have to click on add. After clicking on add, you will get the options select class. Suppose I am taking class 12th, so I am taking class 12th, selecting class 12th. Then section, suppose I am taking 12C, I am selecting 12C. Subject group, class 12th, and then click on the search. This page will be displayed. Now you have to select the day. Suppose you are taking the class on Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, whatever. Suppose I am taking on class Thursday, Friday and Saturday, or Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So I am selecting suppose Thursday, or 4 days, 3 days, whatever you have, Thursday. Then subject mathematics, you can see in the options, you can write here MAT, then it is automatically displayed mathematics. Then teacher's name, you can write like your name. I am writing my name, TAR. Then just see here, Tarun Jaiswal 96, whatever. Then time, okay, time 10:40. Suppose your timing is 9 or 10. This page will be displayed. What you have to do, you have to tap on 10, 7, 9, whatever is displayed here like this. Then you will get here 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Suppose I am having class at 10 o'clock, and then again 10:40 is there. Then here on 40 I have clicked. Then again I will get here minutes. and my minute 10 minutes 10 o'clock, so 10:00 and AM and PM date AM. So this is the procedure of selecting the starting time. Same time from 10 AM, this you can see 10 AM. Now time 2, click on this 7:40 PM, whatever is there, it will be blank for you because I already filled, that's why it is coming. Now you are seeing here 7, here I will click, then I will select 10 and 40, 10:40, this PM will be AM, and then I can tap in any other place, not here, like here, any other place other than this timing dialog box here, like now save option is there, I am saving it, save. So this my Thursday timetable is saved for class 12th C. Similarly I can select Friday, Saturday and then Monday, Tuesday, whatever. Then you can fill this information. This is the way you can update your timetable. After updating this timetable, just again click on the 3 horizontal line on the left side of this page, move to, then click to attendance, because this timetable is already updated by you. Now move to the attendance. In attendance you will find 3 options. The first one, you have to select period attendance. After selecting period attendance you will get this page. In this page select again class 12th, my section is C, subject, date. Suppose my class is on it was on 23rd of June, Thursday, because I have updated the timetable of Wednesday or Thursday. Suppose I updated on 23rd, 24, means what I have updated timetable only that will be displayed here. So 23rd of June, 23rd June. Once you will be once you will update this timetable, automatically when you will select the date, your class will appear here. See, this is mathematics class 10 to 10:40 Tarun Jaiswal. This is, you can select and then search. What you will get, all the student list of the 12C who are in the class. Now what you have to do, suppose in these students, any student you find that like Vidhi Mittal is late, absent or on leave. So you will see here there is no option of leave. Actually this leave option will be updated later, and regarding that we will give you another video after few days. So those who are giving leave, asking for the leave, you can select half day, because this girl already taken leave on 23rd of June. So I am selecting half day, and I can write here whatever reason, outside, not well, whatever reason student have given to us, that you have to write here. Then save attendance. Just on the top you will scroll and you will get search, mark as holiday, and save attendance. So you can select save attendance. This attendance will be saved, and this information will be directly moved to the or directly this information will be displayed on the mobile of parents. After few days it will be updated, but this data will be stored in the school website, and we have anytime we can see the record of the student and those who are present, absent, late. All these things we can manage on this website. So this is the way how to create, how to take the attendance, and how to upload your timetable. Soon other things will be updated you. Thank you very much.